Hello, how is everyone doing today? I'm going to show you how to create a featured story on Instagram using either a new story or an old one. To do this, let's open our Instagram application and go to our profile section. In my case, I already have a few featured stories created. So, we'll have a button that says New. If we press it, we can create a sort of folder where we can add all the stories we have uploaded throughout the use of the application. The only inconvenience is that we won't be able to save the new stories we are uploading at the moment. To solve that, we need to exit from there and tap on the More button next to the menu button. Let's create a new story. In my case, I'm going to choose this example image. So, we press to use it, and to complement it, I'm going to add a link that will take you to the same video we just published a moment ago. After that, we tap the button to go to the next step, and here we simply tap on Share once the sharing process is complete. In this option, we will see a button that allows us to add this new story to the featured story section, either from a folder we have created or from a new category or folder, however you want to call it. This will also allow us to assign it a specific name. Let's just name it Tutorial and Guide, and then tap on Add. After that, we tap on Done, and now when we go to our profile section and swipe all the way to the left, we will see the new category or folder we just created called Tutorial and Guide, which contains this story we just uploaded. Now, to add more stories to this featured story section, we simply go to where it says, for example, Tutorial and Guide, and tap on More. We tap on Edit Featured Story, and here we go to where it says Stories. We can see all the stories that we have been uploading over time, so we simply tap on the ones we want to add to this section and then tap on Done. Well, this is how we can create featured stories and categorize them by categories, either based on old stories or new stories that we upload. So, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from BALMA Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.